The Real World 2.0.
Real World 2.0.
2.0 with 2.0.
Everyone's been asking if the real world is dead, but Andrew Tate and Tristan Tate just confirmed something wild. The Real World 2.0 is launching in about 7 days from the date of posting of this video. And if you're in the real world already, then you get everything for just $50. But if you're not in the real world before the Real World 2.0 launches, you're paying $245. Let me break down exactly what's changing and why right now might be the best time to join. So, if you don't know me, my name's Mustafa and I've tested every Andrew Tate course on this channel, from Hustlers University to the War Room to his current Real World program. But today, I'm going into the Real World 2.0. There's new tools, banking systems, job portals, AI, and more. So let's go through all of it because this is a full rebuild.
And being a member of our school and being offered a bank account with a credit card with a $1,000 limit. Right. That's not money for wasting. There will be a guide with that credit card and that $1,000 limit of how to use it, how to spend it, how to pay it off, how to increase your credit rating in the real world from the real world.
So, as you just saw, first, the Real World 2.0 is getting its own banking system. That means students can apply for credit cards with $1,000 limits. And you can follow a step-by-step system inside the real world to boost your credit score fast. That alone is wild, but that's just the beginning.
There's going to be a job board. So not only are you going to be able to learn skills inside, you'll be able to get hired and advertise for staff inside of the school.
They're also launching a global job portal, meaning you'll get connected with Tate's own business network. Companies can now hire from inside the real world. And if you're a student entrepreneur, you can hire others that are inside the platform.
And we have certification incoming. The only reason you went to university, the only reason you wasted 4.5 years of your life to learn things you could have learned online in a month is because you needed a certificate, a piece of paper. If we tell you that we can give you the same certification as any university on the planet for $50 a month.
Plus real certifications, not just lessons, but actual certificates that you can use on your resumes or your client proposals. And they're comparing this to a $60,000 university degree, which honestly I kind of get.
The Real World 2.0 is going to have a micro pay option. So I can't tell you too much about how I'm involved in that, but there's going to be lots and lots of things that you can purchase inside the real world with the click of your finger for upgrades, you know, things that are very exclusive. Maybe, I don't know, phone calls with Andrew, phone calls with myself, advice, videos, things that you could purchase, and our merchandise store should be there as well. So you could purchase merchandise, you could purchase Fireblood straight on the app.
Now here's where things get insane. They've added a built-in AI chat system that helps you write, research, and clarify ideas without ever leaving the dashboard. No switching tabs and no losing focus. It's actually just pure execution. On top of that, you'll also have exclusive in-app perks, learning boosts, and even merch. And if you go deep enough, you might even unlock a call with the Tates. The Real World 2.0 also turns into a full productivity ecosystem. We're getting built-in notes tied to lessons and the checklists and time management tools. Andrew Tate also announced that there's going to be daily schedules and event calendars and an exclusive email system just for the members of the Real World 2.0. It's literally a full dashboard for online money making. Not just lessons, but a full system for building and managing your hustle. But here's the catch, the price is going up. Right now it's $50, but once the Real World 2.0 launches, that price is going to skyrocket to $245. If you're already inside the real world when it drops, you keep that $50 price for life. So if you're even thinking about joining, this is your moment.
The price of the real world will raise. We are a school of the future. The investment is coming and the price will massively increase. However, anyone who joins the real world now, anyone who gets their power level over 1,000 will be grandfathered in on the price. So now is your chance to join the real world, increase your power level, and be grandfathered in before the price increases by a factor of 4 or 5x post-investment when the certification is available, when the access to credit is available, when the bank account is available, when the email address is available, when the job board is available. The Real World 2.0 is completely planned out.
I've tested all these programs, and honestly, this feels like Andrew Tate's most most serious move yet. It's not perfect, but it's ambitious. And it's the only online program I've seen that's trying to do everything in one place. So if you want to join before the price spikes, I'll drop the link in the description. Hit like if this helped, and subscribe if you want the full review of the Real World 2.0 when it launches. And if you're still unsure, go watch my video where I tried every single course in the original Real World. See you in the next one.